To start building a flip card interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the interaction template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the editor window. Each interaction is pre-populated with information to give you an idea of how that interaction will lay out. You can change the image for each card by clicking the image icon in the content toolbar at the top of the page. Find the image you want to use, then drag it over the image you wish to replace. You can add text over the image by clicking anywhere inside any of the cards. This will bring up the text editor. Type your text, then click outside the box to save your changes. To change the text on the back of the card, click the Flip All Cards button in the content toolbar. Start editing by clicking anywhere inside the text area. To add a new card, click the New Card icon in the toolbar. You can then change the image and text as previously described. To delete a card, click the trash icon in the bottom right corner of that card. If you want to remove the image from the front of the card, hover over the flip card and click Remove Image. Once you have made all your changes, click Save.